Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have discussed about the um, microcontroller and microprocessor and the RAM and ROM, the difference between them. And in this today's video, we're going to discuss about why Java and what is Java, where it can be used, and why it is called as top. And also, we'll discuss about why it is an top uh, programming language till now. And also, we'll be creating a program related to Java. That is your first program in Java. So let's begin. So firstly, um, we will see about the introduction of Java. So what is Java? So Java is a programming language which was created in 1995. Um, so basically, before that, we used to have the programming languages like C, C++. The first programming was built was C, and the second was C++. Um, so, in for the drawbacks, what we gained in C and C++. So there were many drawbacks in that. So to come over that, we needed a programming language which gives an security, much more security, and also uh, which gives like much security to the system. So for that thing, we created Java. So Java, which came into the market. So many of the companies like till now, like Oracle, IBM, and Microsoft, many of the companies use Java. And also, if you are a Java developer, then it is a high case that you may recruit or you may be placed into that company. So Java, it can be used for mobile applications, like especially for Android apps, and also with the Java we can design a number of softwares which more secure in a secure way. So where the data which will not be misheld or manipulated. So in C and C++, there was security, but not to that extent. So for that thing, the Java was introduced. So also we can design web applications and web software and application services, games, database connection, and much more. Nowadays, Javas are mainly used. So it is owned by Oracle, and it's more than 3 million devices run in Java. So it's also called as platform independent programming language because where Java can be used in different software also like Mac, Oracle, uh, Mac, Windows, and Ubuntu, like different applications. Like if you have a JVM or JDK, then you can run the program. Like if you are creating a program or if you are building a program in one system or in one OS, means you can also run it through the other devices like or Ubuntu or Windows. If you have JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, and Java Development Kit, that is JDK. So if you have these two things, then automatically would be you can run in any devices. So whereas in C and C++ you couldn't run. So mainly C and C++ are uh, uh, till now they many of the companies use, but many of the companies like Microsoft, like they need to build the OS using C++. So for that thing, the C++ will be used, but the security is less compared to Java. Security is less. So coming to Java, why it is used? As I told before, Java works in different platform, that is platform independent, Windows, Mac, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. Also, I need to mention this, like in C and C++, it is a platform independent. sorry, platform dependent. C and C++ are platform dependent, where if you run in one like if you type a program in one system, like one OS, that is Windows, means you want to compile and execute in their own system. If you can't run in the other system, so that was the drawback in that. So also it is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It has a large demand in the current job market. Also, if you are, as I told before, if you are on Java, and if you are Java developer, and if you know the Java, the high chance if you'll be recruited in a company. And it is an open source and free, where you can use any software like JDK. If you have JDK, then you can build your own projects in that. Like also you can program in that. Next, it is easier to learn and simple to use. So also it is very easy to understand, and also it is easy to use. Um, Next, it has an huge communication supports tens and millions of developers. So, Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to program and allows code to reuse, lowering development costs. So, the programs which can be reused. So, reusability and all those things will be learning in the further sections. And as is close to Java, like a C++ and C, as it makes easy for programmer to switch the Java or vice versa. Yeah, like if you know, or like C or like C++ or C Ash, like Java is nothing but like um, it will be easy for you to learn this program. So this is all about the Java introduction. Next, let us see about the how to implement the program. So I'm using the IDE, that is IntelliJ IDE, to go program. Throughout this section, I'll be using this only. Uh, so for yeah, let it open. Uh, like you may install this because many of the developers you nowadays use this Java development kit. So there are a number of programs I've did. Maybe so. Firstly, I'll be creating a new project based on mm, create a new project. So I'll be giving a name as the folder name, new, sorry, new course or new file. Okay, so the project has been created, and the package also. So this is the main class. You need not to worry about this all these classes and the main method, and you'll be seeing further classes what is this and how it uh, performs, and what is this src file, source file, and you'll be knowing this all those things in the further classes. So in this section, only the main intention is that creating an file, sorry, program which you, you may see. So firstly, I'll be erasing this. So see, so firstly will be signing public. Will be designing I'll be needing a class called file name. That is, I already created it. So for that thing, you need to not to create it, but um, again doing it. Public. This public static void main and all you'll be seeing in further classes. These arguments and these methods. So yeah, this is the main syntax. Like you need to if you are developing a program, or if you are writing this any program in Java, means this syntax is must and should be included in your class. So next, um, we'll be creating a simple program called hello world. So for that thing, we'll be um, Okay. String is it is a data type. Also, data types will be learning in a further classes. So hello world. So this is the string I'll pass, and I'll print it. And so in Java, we have to display the information. We have a key that is called as uh, system dot out dot print ln. Sorry. So if we give a, that is the variable name, then the program, if we run the main class, it's getting too late. Yeah, as you can see, the hello world will be displayed. So we have a number of data types like string, int, char, and different number of eight primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So we'll be we'll be learning this in the further section. For this video, this is the one like the normal coding, like basic coding what we have seen, and in the further section we'll be learning much more. And if you like this video, and if you understood any of the um, Java related content, so please do like and share subscribe. So thank you.